Hey there, future engineers! Today we're diving into the world of blueprints, the roadmap to any successful construction project. Think of them like treasure maps, guiding you to build something amazing. Ever seen those rolled up papers covered in lines and squiggles on a construction site? Those are blueprints, and they're way more interesting than they look. They're the language of construction, telling you exactly what to build and how to build it. Comment below if you already know how important blueprints are. I bet you've got some stories to tell. Now you might be thinking, Mike, I'm no engineer. Why do I need to know about this? Well, understanding blueprints, even the basics, can be a huge help in any construction job. It's like knowing the language everyone's speaking on site. Plus, it shows you're serious about your work and helps you climb that career ladder. So let's get you familiar with these blueprints and turn you into a real construction pro. First things first, let's break down the blueprint language. It's all about symbols, scales, and sections. Think of it like learning a new alphabet. Symbols are like little pictures representing different parts of the structure, like walls, doors, and windows. Each symbol has a specific meaning, so you know exactly what you're looking at. Scales are like a magic shrinking ray, allowing you to fit a whole building on a single sheet of paper. They tell you the relationship between the size of the drawing and the actual size of the building. And sections? Imagine slicing through a cake to see the layers inside. Sections and blueprints do the same thing, showing you the insides of walls, floors, and roofs. Now don't let all these lines and symbols scare you. Once you understand the basics, reading a blueprint becomes as easy as reading a comic book. There are tons of resources available online and in libraries to help you learn. You can find dictionaries of architectural symbols, tutorials on understanding scales, and even interactive blueprints to practice your skills. Trust me, with a little effort, you'll be fluent in blueprint in no time. Now let's talk about why blueprints are so crucial for engineers. Imagine trying to build a house without any instructions or a recipe without any measurements. That's what it's like trying to build anything without blueprints. They are the foundation of any successful construction project. Engineers use blueprints to design the structure, calculate material needs, and make sure everything fits together perfectly. They are the communication tool between architects, engineers, contractors, and everyone else involved in the project. Without blueprints, construction projects would be chaotic and prone to errors. Imagine walls in the wrong place, doors that don't open, or a roof that collapses. Blueprints ensure that everyone is on the same page, working towards the same vision, and that the final structure is safe, functional, and meets all the requirements. So, there you have it, a crash course on blueprints and why they're vital in construction. Do you think you could tackle reading one now? What other questions do you have about these construction treasure maps? Let's get this conversation going in the comments below. And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. We'll see you in the next one.